topic is arithmetic instructions. So in arithmetic instructions, we are having addition, subtraction, increment, decrement, multiply, divide. So the first addition. So syntax is add destination comma source. This instruction adds the contents of source operand with the contents of destination operand, and the result is stored in destination operand. Here the source operand, it may be immediate data or a memory location or a register, and the destination operand should be memory location or register. Here the AX is the default destination register. Example, add AX comma BX. Here we are adding two 16-bit registers. So the contents of AX is 30 and the contents of BX is 40. So if I add this, so the result 70 will be stored in AX register. So next, ADC, add with carry. So this instruction will add the contents of source operand with the contents of destination operand with the carry flag bit. So the source may be immediate data or a memory location or a register, and the destination may be memory location or a register, and the result is stored in destination operand, and here AX is the default destination register. Example, ADC AX comma BX. Here we are adding two 16-bit registers. The contents of AX is 20 and the contents of BX is 50, and we are having one carry bit which is 1. So if I add, so sum is 70 which is stored in AH, and the carry 01 which is stored in AL. So the next, increment. So syntax is INC source. So this instruction will increase the contents of source operand by 1. So source may be memory location or a register, but it can't be the immediate data, and the result is stored in the same source operand. Example, INC AX. Here the value of AX is 70. So if I execute this instruction, so 70 is incremented with 1 in here. The 1 is incremented in AL register. Same in the case of decrement. So decrement will decrease the contents of source operand by 1. Next, multiplication. Syntax is MUL operand. So this instruction will multiply the unsigned operands of either 8-bit or 16-bit, and it will store the result in the AX register or the DX register. Example, MUL BH. Here the value of BH is 2, so it will multiply AX register with BX. So 4 into 2, it is 8. So the 8 is stored in AX register, in AX particularly AL. So the next, division operand. Syntax is div operand. So this instruction will divide the unsigned operands of AX or BX, and it will store the result in AX or DX register. So in particularly, AL will store the quotient and AH will store the remainder. Example, div BL. Here the value of BL is 22, so it will divide with AX register. The value of AX is 88 and AH is 88 and AL is 88. So if I do this operation, so 88 by 22, it is 4. So 4, so the result is stored in AX register. Thank you.